What's up guys, Ryan Loud Kicks here, and today we have the Concepts Air Max 1 in the Mellow colorway. Let's check it out. So jumping into the design of the box, we have an all black box with the Nike and Concepts logo all over in a very hippie, colorful kind of pattern. I really dig all the patterns and colors they used on the box in contrast with the all black base color of the box. I think it's a pretty dope design. So jumping into the design and materials of the sneaker, you have your typical Air Max 1 silhouette with a bunch of materials and designs all over the sneaker. I really like the fact that each panel has its own unique color and material used with it. It's almost like Concepts threw a bunch of different materials into the sneaker, as many as they could. So each panel is definitely unique and kind of reminds me of the colorways that Nike has released in the past. Overall, I think the idea is cool, but I don't know if all the colors really mesh well together, and styling these will be kind of hard just because of all the colors used in the sneaker. But I really do like the concept and the materials that they used, very creative, but definitely not my favorite colorway. So throwing these on feet, I went true to size, which is size 7.5 men's for me. And they're gonna be your typical Air Max 1, so not super comfortable, but not super uncomfortable. So very mid, very average. You can definitely wear these day to day, but eventually they might hurt your feet. Definitely will take some time to break into. The use of all the materials and the jean-like materials don't really help to the comfort either. So I'd definitely say these are more fashion over function. In the comments below, let me know what your favorite lace set is. Is it the white or the maroon? So for the fit, I went pretty simple, very casual. Threw on the denim jacket to match the denim in the sneakers, as well as the black cargos and the black hat to kind of match the accent of the black panel on the sneakers. And then I tied everything together with a white tee, make it pretty simple, matches all the colors of the sneakers without being too over the top, especially since the sneakers are so colorful. I wanted to make the whole fit kind of very neutral, and then have the colors on the sneaker speak for themselves. I also want to mention, with a lot of my fits, I like to do a lot of layering, so you can see that the denim jacket is a little shorter than the oversized tee underneath, bringing that layer of the t-shirt and the denim jacket, as well as the cargos, having that separation between the ankle and the sneaker. Overall, I really like the aesthetic and the cut of each layer, which also helps enhance the overall fit.
What's up guys, Ryan Loud Kicks here. Thanks for checking out my latest video of the Air Max 1 concepts. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but just been super busy lately. So hopefully in the future I'll start pumping out more videos when I can. But if you did like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I'll also post the music and the fits in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.